Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most powerful and versatile welding machine in its class, the MIG-300 IW inverter based MIG-MAG welding machine. In this video we will do a real life demo and test it with real welding performance. So let's talk about the welding machine. The build quality feels solid and professional. Heavy duty body, powder coated finish and a strong front control panel. The digital meters and adjustment knobs on the front make operation simple and precise. So talk about the features and technical highlights. So this welding machine uses advanced IGBT inverter technology for stable arc and high efficiency. Output current range 50 to 300 amperes. Multi-process capability supports MIG-MAG gas, gasless flux core and manual arc MMA welding. Duty cycle 60% at 300 amperes and ideal for industrial grade work. So talk about the compatibility via diameter 0.8 mm to 1.2 mm. It comes with forced air cooling with thermal protection and comes with a built-in wire feeder for consistent wire speed and easy feeding. The compact design with a wheelbase make it easy to move around workshops and fabrication sites. The machine is ready for welding. Now we are going to do a live demo and let's see a real performance. Now we are going to set up and connections. Setting up is very easy. Connect the gas cylinder, attach the earth clamp and plug in the MIG torch. Once you connect the 3-phase input supply, now we are going to weld a 6 mm mild steel plate using CO2 gas. As you can see, the arc is extremely stable, spatter is minimal and penetration is excellent. Both current and voltage readings on digital meters remain consistent throughout the weld. Thanks to the IGBT inverter circuit, the machine handles powerful fluctuations easily, giving you smooth uninterrupted welding even on long runs. Now we are going to check arc mode demo. Let's quickly check its arc welding mode. Just toggle the switch and the machine instantly shifts to MMA mode. You can easily weld with electrodes ranging from 2.5 mm to 4 mm. So friends, that was our live demo video of MIG-300 IW inverter based welding machine. If you are looking for a machine that can handle industrial MIG welding and also give you arc welding capability, then this is the perfect choice for you. High performance, durable build and smooth operation. If you find this video helpful, then comment us, like us, and if you have any query, you can visit our website www.cruxweld.com. Thank you.